Yes. So the blood vessels, so these are artery, veins, the blood vessels. The blood vessel is covered by the outermost membrane, is known as a tunica externa. Tunica externa. Are you clear? Yes. This tunica externa, the middle layer is known as a this blood vessel. Which one? The veins are have very less musculars are there. The arteries are consistent of very huge amount of the muscular tissues are present in what is the tunica media region. So the second layer is known as a tunica media. Tunica media. So the tunica media made up of muscular tissue. So it is made up of these are have a very huge diameter, less diameter. Are you clear? So the innermost layer of the blood vessel is known as a tunica media. A tunica media containing how many? Two membranes are there. What are the first one? Elastin membrane and as well as endothelium. So this is known as the elastin fibers. This membrane is known as the elastin membrane. This one is endothelium. So this one is, what is that? Tunica interna. This one is tunica interna. So the tunica interna is containing two layers are there. First one is elastin fibers, elastic membrane or fibers, membrane. The innermost layer is known as a endothelium. Thelium means layer. Endothelium. So the inner side of the endothelium, what is that? This is having one of the cavity. The cavity is known as the lumen of the blood vessel. Lumen of blood vessel. Nothing but is one of the narrow space. The arteries are having one of the very narrow space. As well as, so these are also consistent of second layer, third layer also containing two different type of layers are there, known as, what is that? Elastin membrane and as well as, what are the? Endothelium. Is known as elastin membrane. Sorry, endothelium. This one is elastin membrane. The compare between of two arteries and veins. The arteries have a very low, narrow space. Compare with the veins. The veins are have a very, what is that? Wide space. So this one is tunica interna. Which one? This one is tunica interna. Elastin membrane. The third one is endothelium. This one is lumen of the blood vessel. Are you clear? So this is known as the histology of the blood vessels. Now we are discussing about what is the difference in between of the arteries and veins. Okay, are you clear? So first one, arteries and veins are there. Arteries are covered by the outermost layer is known as the tunica externa. So tunica externa is made up of the fibrous tissue. Which tissue? Fibrous tissue. Containing fibrous tissue. Fibrous tissues are there. So the innermost layer of the second layer of the blood vessel is known as the tunica media. It is made up of the muscular layer. The next third layer is known as the tunica media, tunica interna. It is made up of two different type of layers are there: elastic membrane and endothelial membrane. The endothelial membrane having one of the cavity. The cavity is known as a lumen of the blood vessel. Now we are discussing the difference between of the arteries and veins. Please note down everyone the tissues of the different type of layers. The difference in between of two arteries and veins. So first one, what is that? The arteries are, what is that? Arteries are, what is that? These are transporting, nothing but these are passing the blood into various parts of the body from the heart. Nothing but they are passing away. These are transporting which one? Oxygenized blood into various parts of the body. Various parts of the body. It is brings, which one? Veins are brings deoxygenized blood from the various parts of the body. These are brings, they are bring, are you clear? They are brings deoxygenized blood from various body parts. Okay, so these are transporting of the oxygenized blood, exception of the pulmonary artery. Sorry, exception of these are transporting nothing but these are passing the blood, transporting the blood. Exception of which one? Pulmonary artery. That is known as one of the except. The one of the except which one? Pulmonary artery. Exception of the pulmonary artery, remaining all are transporting oxygenized blood. Passing oxygenized blood. Except of which one? Pulmonary arteries. Which one? The pulmonary arteries are carrying the deoxygenized blood. So this is completely exception. Only exception of only one artery. So these are also one of the exception of the pulmonary veins. The exception of pulmonary veins. So the arteries are supplies into the deeper parts of the body. These are supplies the deeper parts of the body. These are supplies from the what is that? Below of the skin. So these are supplies blood. The below of the body parts. The body. Nothing but example in the muscle region. To the muscle, tissue, wrist, ankle, and etc. So these are supplies blood from the below of the endothelium. So below of the epithelium. Supply the blood below of the epithelium, nothing but skin. Epithelium, nothing but skin. Below of the epithelial membrane. So these blood vessels are thick red in color. Are you clear? These are look like a brown in color. Which one? This one is brown in color. Which one? Veins are brown in color. Why? Because these are carries deoxygenized blood. So these are containing carbon dioxide. So it's brown in color. This thick red means have a oxygenized blood, transporting oxygenized blood. So these are carries oxygenized blood. So it's like a red in color. So these are brown or brick red. So the wall of arteries are completely very, what is that? Very narrow. very narrow valves are present. Very narrow cavity, you can write over in narrow cavity is present in arteries region. Very narrow cavity, we are already seen the diagram. Very narrow cavity there in arteries region. Wide cavity is present in veins. Clear? The high pressure creates on which one? Arteries region. So that is called high blood pressure was there in arteries. Very low blood pressure there in which one? Veins region. Low blood pressure was there in veins region. So these are absence of which one? The arteries are absence of lacking of valves. Lacking of valves. Why? Because these are producing high pressure. So these are never comes into back flow. So these are completely absence of valves. So the valves are completely prevents of backflow of the flow. What is the backflow of the blood? So these are shown high pressure. So it is never comes into the back. So these are having very low pressure. So the veins are containing valves. They're containing valves to prevents, which one? Prevents backflow. Blood. Backflow of the blood. Are you clear? Yes. So this is the information about the arteries and veins. Now discussing about the arteries and veins. The arteries are transporting are nothing but transporting of the oxygenated blood from the various parts of the body, from the heart to various parts of the body. They brings or carries deoxygenated blood from the various parts of the body. So these are passing blood, oxygenated blood. Only exception of the pulmonary artery. It is exception of pulmonary veins. To supply the blood below of the muscles, tissue, wrist and ankles. It is only supplies the blood in the epithelial region, nothing but the below of the epithelial region. So these are look like a thick red in color. These are brown in color. So the very narrow cavity is present, very wide cavity is present. The high pressure creates in the arteries region, that is known as the high BP. The low pressure creates in the veins region. So it is the lacking of valves. Why? Because these are high pressure creates, there is no importance of the valves. So these are having a low pressure creates in the veins region. So these are shown in the backflow. So these prevents by the valves. So these are preventing of the backflow of the blood from the veins, vein to veins. Clear? So very important point. The arteries are end with capillaries. Arteries are end with capillaries. Next one, the veins are starts with capillaries. Starts with capillaries. So this is the information. Now we are discussing. Next we are discussing about the disorders of circulatory system. Are you clear? Yes. So we are forgetting the explanation about what is that capillaries. What is the capillary? The capillary is also one of the veins. So we are discussing the capillaries. What is the capillary? First one. The capillaries, these are very smallest blood vessels in our body. So these are approximately 10 millimicrons in diameter. The histology of the capillaries are containing only one of the layer, the innermost layer. The innermost layer of the capillary is known as a fibrous tissue. It is only containing only one layer, that is known as a fibrous layer. Fibrous layer, the fibrous layer is producing the fibrous tissues. So these are known as a blood capillaries. Now what is a capillary? That's a very smallest and tubular forms. Very smallest and tubular forms. What is the lowest level of the body parts? So approximately it's a 10 millimicrons in the diameter. So these are containing only one of the membrane. The membrane is known as a fibrous membrane. The fibrous membrane secreting of fibrous tissues. So this is known as the capillaries.